How to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS devices. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Messenger app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. At the top left corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now head towards the settings icon. Within Messenger app, you won't find the option to log out, so you can apply these tricks to log out of Messenger. The very first one is you can delete your Messenger app. For that, you can long press on your Messenger app, tap on the option of remove app, tap on delete app. After you delete your Messenger app, you can open your Play Store or the App Store and download the app. And with that, you will be logged out of your Messenger account. Likewise, another way is head towards your Facebook. Make sure you are logged in with the Facebook account that you are using for the Messenger as well. Now head towards the option of menu. Now tap on the settings icon. Head towards the option of password and security. Now over here you can find this section for where you are logged in. Tap on the option of see all. Now over here you're gonna find all the devices and the location that you are logged in with your Messenger account. Scroll all the way down and at the very bottom you'll find the option of log out of all sessions. You have to tap on that option. With that you will be logged out of your Messenger. So this is how you can log out of Messenger on Android and iOS devices. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.